I am Malewi Tosin. This will be this fourth video for this topic statistics. I hope we've been enjoying the class and we've been learning as well because the learning is what is really important. At least the objective is that at the end of this topic, any question related to this topic, as far as a student preparing for WAEC is concerned, would have been what covered. Would have been covered at least. Now let's look at this example. Let's look at this example. The example goes thus. Says the table shows the pocket monies of 23 students in a certain school. Now this is the table. This is the pocket money. And this is the number of what? Schools. We are told to state the word, the mode, a median of the word distribution, and also to calculate the mean. Now to go by this, we say that to find the mode, we say mode of a distribution. If you could recollect that, we said it is the most occurring item of a given distribution, and it is probably the item with the highest frequency in a given distribution. If you study this table, it means those that have 10 naira in their pocket are 3, those that have 20 naira are 4, those that have 30 naira are 2, those that have 40 are 6, 57, 63. And the frequency of distribution are always scattered of a distribution. Take note of that. To know the frequency f of a distribution, you will not be told at times, but they are the ones that are always scattered. While your x, the items are always arranged accordingly. They either increase with a common difference or common ratio, or decrease as such. So now, mode here, 30 appeared 3 times. 10 appeared 3 times, 20 appeared 4 times, 30 appeared 2 times, 40 naira we have 6, 50 naira we have 7. So the mode here is the money will be with the highest, that's the number with the highest frequency. The mode here is what? Is 50. The mode is 50. Why? It's the one that have the highest frequency. 50 has the highest frequency. You studied very well. Right? Take note. The mode is not the biggest item, but the item that appears most. That's the mode. Very simple. Now to find the median okay, we are still on A. To find the median, now you can say that the median here is, I gave you this when we were taking median, that n over 2, okay, n plus 1 over 2, where our n is the total sum of frequency. N is sum of frequency. So for this now, our n will be 23. That's our n. And again, if you add all these frequencies together, you still have what? 23. So it will be 23 plus 1 over 2. Take note, this th here is telling us that position is what we are considering there. Are we together? So this will be this. So 4 divided by 2 will give us what? It give us 12. Now we need to know which term falls in 12th position. Which term falls in what? In 12th position. That is what will tell us which term is our median. Now to know this, now look at it. 10 falls in the the first three numbers. That means you're having, let me write it here, 10, 10, 10. You're having 3 tens. 20. 20 appears 4 times. 20, 20, 20. Okay? Now, 30 appears twice. 30, 30. While 40 appears 6 times. Okay? Appears 6 times. This 40. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times. 6 times. Okay? Now, what we need is that which one falls at the 12th position, which will be, let's count. We still have 50 appearing 7 times, 60 appearing 3 times, but I think we should have gotten the one that falls at the 12th position with this. So they're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see that? So this falls at the 12th position. This falls at the 12th position, which means that what? Our median is equals to what? 40. Our median is equals to 40. So this is how you determine the median of this kind of what? Distribution. Now, let's take the mean. How do you go about the mean? I think we should continue the second question, part B, in our next class. So I will call it statistics 4. So let's call this part A. While the next one, we call it part B. Sorry. So that we can take find the mean of this question here in our next video, statistics 4B. I myself, Aliwi Tosin, I believe you've understood this. Take your time, study and learn. Thank you.